Hey, it's Uriel, and I am back for All Stars. Let's get it. Uriel, you've been here before. So what brings you back? What brings me back? I am here because I just feel like before I didn't shine. Somewhat I was a bit immature, timid, and now I've worked on my body, my mental state. I've worked on everything, and I'm just ready to give them the giving. So, what would you do differently this time around? I would do everything different this time around. Like, I just wanna, don't be too hard on yourself. You was given an opportunity and you were just so hard on yourself. Just be free, enjoy it and just vibe and give them the energy and just do everything times 100 that I didn't do before. So I'm ready to have fun. Uriel, who are you hoping to see in the All Stars house? I'm hoping to see myself in the All Stars house. So before you people now tell me I'm joking. Who am I hoping to see in the All Stars house? Do you know what? Just everyone. I kind of have an idea. I feel I might see Pere. And Pere and I, we kind of worked together in the past and everybody thought we were dating. So it'll be nice to see him. Mercy, if she's there, I don't know. I don't know, man, just everybody, to be honest with you. Mercy, yeah, I think she's cool. I've never ever met her, but it'll be good to see how she really is. So, Uriel, which previous housemates do you not want to see in the All Stars house? Who do I not want to see? To be honest with you, I don't have an issue with anybody, and I really couldn't be asked if they're there or not there. Like, I'm just there to have fun and there's no bad energy. I'm just there to enjoy. Uriel, in 10 seconds, tell us where your life is right now. My life right now is boom. That is the description of my life. My life is boom. From my love life to my business to my personal life to looking after my mother to just hustling. It's just boom. Complete the sentence. This season, I'm definitely not holding back. I am not holding back. Even though my thighs are jiggling, I will let them jiggle in peace. What is your message to your fellow housemates? A message to my housemate is, okay, so housemates, I'm cool, I'm easy, I'm quite easy to get along with, but just know, if you push me, I do have a bit of a sting, and I am very, extremely competitive. I do not back down, but I'm nice. So what is your message to yourself? I would tell myself, Uriel, just have fun. Take them easy, chill, wayo.
Big Brother Naija.